What up, guys? Your boy Slash Pow here. Just going to get some lunch. Leaving this fucking construction site. See ya! Just doing this video. Gonna do a little vlog thing. Want to show you guys that my life sucks too. I get a shitty job just like you. So don't stress out. It's all good. I'm pretty sure I shouldn't be filming this right now, but I'm on a little back road kind of thing, so it's okay. Yeah. Whoa, somebody's pulling out on me. Motherfucker. Try to stop swearing so much. I want to do this for the kids. Hear that trailer rattling around back there? Yeah, this is it. This is what I do in the summer times. Winter time, I'm getting stoked to go snowboarding in Revelstoke, BC. Woohoo! Check this out.
English, press 1. To serve you better, please enter your bank card number, followed by the number. For account balances and to review transactions, press 1. To hear the balance or review transactions on your checking account, your bank account balance is $42.40. To repeat the balance information, the last transactions are...
You motherfuckers hear that? So I need to watch these videos so I can get that up. That was $42.50, motherfuckers. I know y'all got more money than that in your bank. So like this video, subscribe, and let's get this money. So I went and grabbed my lunch. Just want to show you guys what I'm eating, because this part of the video is going to teach you something. Okay, this is how you eat healthy. You walk into the store, everyone's buying them wedges, buying the fried chicken, chocolate bars, stuff coming in boxes, processed foods. That's not good for you. Don't eat it. This is what you get. Go ahead for your drink, get yourself some kefir. Okay, you see that? It's fermented milk beverage. They put grains in it, ferments, breaks down the lactose and creates beneficial bacteria. Good for your gut health. Remember that. Gut health. Key. Second brain. Sorry about the mess here in the truck. It's a work truck, so you know how it is. Second item we got here. Salad. Greens. Spinach. Some fruit in there. Eat salads. Don't put sauce all over them. All these fucking dressings with all this industrial seed oils and crap. Don't be putting that in your salads, okay? Eat them straight up with a little bit of vinaigrette or something like that. That's going to be good for you. Keep the sugar down, okay? And here I got a chicken breast. So I'm going to bust that sucker open. No barbecue sauce, skin on. You want the fats. The fats are good. Don't worry about the fats. Cut down the carbs, eat the fats, okay? So that's what I'm at for guys. Just finishing my day. I'm just walking back to my trailer. That's right, I live in a trailer park. I'm like Eminem in 8 Mile, okay? Motherfuckers, and look how far he got. So, before you hate on me, maybe I'm doing something right.